Welcome back, Standman Game here, and today I'm doing more Watch Dogs free roaming. Yesterday,
Nikki, hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over.
I had some technical difficulties, so that's why I couldn't upload the video yesterday. But I'll try to make 2 videos today to make up for yesterday.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
I'm currently wearing my Dexec outfit, which comes with the gold edition.
Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer? I don't ask questions. This guy
right
gets any
now,
right
I
I
only
want,
have
and
these
you if you need it.
I just
few
might.
guns.
How's Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
Well, I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
Okay, now that's done. First, let's go to a cafe and see what we can do. And I played some story mode in my other account. It is awesome. It's amazing. It's so good. There's no words to describe it. So,
How can I help you?
only a soft drink? Who do you think I am?
Ugh, you can't be serious.
I stole your money. $618 only. I'll be back. But you won't see me. Because you're dead. Okay. Now that's over. So, where do we go now? Let's see if we can find any missions, probably crimes or gang hideouts. A gang hideout would be the best. Money. 760.
House rolled up like ninjas thanks to CTOS. Come on, man. Been in this neighborhood all my life.
Ah, here it is. Potential crime.
Don't think you to fuck with me.
How dare you kill someone in front of me? Come on, Aiden, get him. Okay. Okay, where's the potential crime? Okay, it's over here. What's this? And I finally found out what the system keys are for. For those of you who still don't know what the system keys are for, I found out that they're used to make jam comms and blackouts and things like that. So they're crafting components. Okay, we're not gonna run all the way there, so let's use this car. Let's use this rusty old car. And I'm trying to be a good guy in this series. Don't make me kill you.
He's gotta be close.
I know it. Oh no.
Follow me up, bro.
Yeah, let's go.
Not someone to mess with.
Let's shoot him in the leg. You're never gonna get away from me. And stay down. You, sir, just got owned. Killed him. Yay, I'm a good guy. I do not know what good guys get for being good, but I'm very excited to find out. Oh, you did not just say whatever to me. You did not. You're lucky I'm trying to be a good guy. You'd be shot in the head right now. Now run. Run. Yes, I have a gun. And I'll shoot you if you don't run. Ooh, what's this? Item of interest. Okay. Okay, let's go get this item of interest. Oh. I need your van, sir. Police duty, I need your van. Oh shit, police are there. Oh, wait, never mind, they're across the block. They're on the... Okay, what's this? Okay. So that was the item of interest? Okay, then let's do this investigation. Oh, it's a QR code. My first QR code. For money. Where's the Q? Oh, there's the QR code. I think I need to move over a little bit. Wait, no. Go at the bank account. Ah, there. Thank you for the $620. Ooh, a conveniently placed ATM. We only got one. Okay, we have our first QR code.
Here's what I have. My blue link, Angela. She's an engineer, close to the top. As close as an engineer can get, anyway. I'm going to see if my source checks out, but this is what I've been waiting for. Bloom with its pants down, and I'll be able to take credit for the leak. I haven't told the rest of DedSec yet. Call me selfish, but this is my find. They'll have to go beyond the DedSec count.
I don't care anymore. And look, the stadium. For those of you who are looking for the stadium again, I'll show you where it is. It's right here. The big thing. In Parker Square, I think. Yep, Parker Square. The big thing. Right here. Okay. Another item of interest. Yay. Let's do this. For those of you who don't know, let's do this is my catchphrase. You will probably see me use it in every episode. Well, hear me. You can't see words. Let's do this. Hey man, I'll need your van again. I'll need your van. Police duty. No! No! Can't see some red light. Now get out of the car. If I say police duty, they won't call the cops. It's a great trick. It's not GTA 5. I try to use X to drift, but I forgot it's L2. Truck driver! Whee! Run, Aiden, run! Okay, here's the item of interest. So item of interests are just bags. Okay. Yeah, okay. So, what's in here? Nothing. I swear I just saw something here. Let's kill someone. Because what's an episode of Watch Dogs without killing someone? Well, at least 2 people. Oh, who killed him? No one saw? Oh man, who killed him? It wasn't me, I was just watching. Where did his dead body go? The ambulance already got here? Wow. Okay.
Unbelievable.
Oh, they actually have accidents here? Someone lost their tire. Huh. Who lost the tire? Huh. Huh. I'll help you clean that up. Oh wait, never mind. I can't. Don't have any grenade launchers. Let's go to the gun shop. I don't think I have enough money to buy any guns, or at least the deadly ones, but let's see. Hopefully this won't help us get up. Oh, no. This music. I don't need the music.
Get out! Oh.
More police duty. I need to remember this isn't GTA 5. For the people who want to get this game, I think it would be better for you to get it like. I think it would be better for you guys to get it on a disc because it takes up a lot of space. It took up so much space I needed to delete the memory of almost all my games. So I only have like memory of 7 different games now. And then Watch Dogs. But I think it's worth it. Wait, not available? That means I'm being hacked. Or invaded. Because usually, when it's not available, that means... Oh, okay.
¿Cómo estás?
Okay, I guess it wasn't that big. $6? Well, thank you. Grenade launchers. Oh, $44,000. Perfect. So I have $6,000 more dollars. Any other guns I could buy? Shotgun. Nope, not enough money. Okay, I'll take the sniper. Item of interest, don't need it. Have enough bags. Wait. I remember, yeah. I went to this crafting because I heard that you could sell whatever you get, like the things you find in cars and item of interest. And I think I remember that I got a bracelet and a necklace. I don't know, let's go see. Let's go see. You deserved it. It was karma for whatever bad thing you did. Oh. Stolen cash. You're never gonna get away with it. You're not gonna get away. Because Aiden's after you. Okay. Now let's go back to the crafting store. I'm a good guy again. Wait, where's the money?
How's it going?
What can I get you?
I could sell these for $400. For a second I thought it said four. Oh yeah, $4,000 just for that thing. I'll need these to make jam cones.
Excellent pie.
Yep, excellent. It was excellent. Wait, what? No, just fine. Should I? No, I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. I'm not gonna rob him. Good guys don't rob. Well, I'll still be robbing, but when I get my good guy level up higher. Anything else I can do? Anything at all? People of Parker Square, do you have any crimes I could solve? Come on, give me something. Give me something. I didn't need a car, but thank you. Okay, what's wrong with this guy? Reported missing 4 years ago. Oh, poor guy. Mission volunteer. What's wrong with that guy? Is he drunk? Hello, drunk man. Drunk man, stop. Stop right there, drunk man. Drunk man, stop it right there. Stop, drunk man. Where you go? No, drunk man. If you don't stop right now, I'll shoot you. No, I told you to stop. I told you to stop. No, stop. Now stop and listen to me. What mission are you on?
No!
Ooh, crime detected. I told you not to move. You better not be calling the cops.
911, state your emergency, please.
No cops today.
No, this isn't right.
Yes, this is right. He didn't listen to me. He deserved it. Okay, let's get this crime solved. Blockers. Come on, man. Yes, I have a gun. Doesn't matter. Doesn't everyone have a gun? Doesn't everyone have a gun in this game?
Somebody's trying to break into my house. I slowed up and ninjas. I used to CTOS. I've been in this neighborhood all my life. Cops do not come like that's an alarm.
Oh, System Key, thank you for that. Ooh, not really. Why isn't it available? Is there someone following me? Okay, no one's following me. I'm not a vigilante, I'm a good guy. Hopefully being a good guy will pay off. No, where's the bank account? I don't want your music, I saw a bank account. Ah, there it is. Oh, no! Well, you're the guy to commit the crime anyway, so. Shot you right in the bum. That's what you get for almost committing a crime. Okay, we failed that. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Okay.
You need to crack down on dead set.
What in the world do you care so
Maybe
much?
they fucked with my system, maybe
I
they
checked. I ran the name through the police database, and I'm telling you, there's no doctor listed by that name. But if
I think they're making a drug deal.
Lisa, my advice, dude, run. Ditch your email, change your phone number, go, now. She's insane, and she knows where you live.
She knows where you live.
I don't know.
Nothing. I don't get anything from that. No. Thank you for the music. Bumblebee, I found you! I've been looking all over for you, Bumblebee. Transform, make me a giant robot. Come on, Bumblebee. Transform. Bubble Bear! Transform, Bubble Bear! I will hurt you right now if you don't transform. Ah! I warned you, Bumblebee. I'm gonna hurt you, Bumblebee. I'm gonna hurt you real bad.
Your privacy is at risk. Your safety is at
Holy shit!
Okay. Anything else? Ah, here it is. Another. Okay, another crime detective. Good. Let's get a car and get there fast. Oh, thank you for volunteering your car for police work. How dare you! I said it was for police work. That's better. Okay. This time we're gonna try to do it without getting caught. Thank you for your money.
That ain't funny.
You feeling okay, buddy?
Okay, he's over there. Oh, no! You killed him! You killed him! You killed him! You killed an innocent man. You're gonna pay for that. You're gonna pay for his death. With your life. While making me look like the good guy. Because I am the good guy. It's okay, everybody. I caught the criminal. Don't run away from me. He's the bad guy. Wait, record of what? Record of aggressive assault. How dare you? Let's make sure you're dead. Okay, what skills can I upgrade? Bridges or trains? What will I need more? Bridges, trains, bridges, trains, bridges, trains, bridges, or trains? Bridges, trains, bridges. I'll take train. Okay. Now what? Well, okay. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and remember, I'll be back.